Welcome back to Food and Mood Creations. Happy Independence. It's 49 years. I hope that you all are having a good Independence Day. I know that I am. So I figured I'd drop a couple videos today and one tomorrow. Today we're making jelly coconut bread. In this bowl there's coconut flour, baking powder, psyllium husk powder, pea protein powder, and salt, and I'm just gonna whisk that to combine. This is sugar-free sweetener. I'm gonna add the eggs, coconut milk, and coconut oil and whisk that to combine. Now I'm gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and whisk that to combine. I'm going to let the batter sit for 5 minutes so the coconut flour could absorb some of the moisture in the batter. This is the jelly coconut. It's basically a young grain coconut. The outside is hard just like a regular coconut, but the inside is soft and it feels like jelly, hence the name jelly coconut. I'm just going to chop this jelly coconut up into smaller pieces. I left mine kind of chunky because I wanted the bread to have some texture, but you can mince it or you can even like blend it and add it to the batter. Now I'm just adding the jelly coconut and I'm just gonna fold that into the batter. Now I'm going to add the batter to the pan. I lined it with parchment paper because I didn't want it to stick. I saved some of the jelly coconut, the thicker pieces, and I cut those into thin slices, and I'm just gonna add that to the top of the bread. I'm going to bake the bread for 35 to 45 minutes. This is how the jelly coconut bread came out. It was so good. It was really good. It was like so soft. This stayed soft 3 days after I baked it, which is like really amazing. It was sweet and you could really like taste the coconut flavor. If you want detailed instructions on how to make this coconut jelly bread, the link is in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.